In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all tools in Affinity Photo. If you've ever opened Affinity Photo and thought a tool was missing, or the entire toolbar vanished, don't worry. This walkthrough will get everything back where it should be and make sure you can see every available option. Let's start by making sure the main Tools panel is visible. This is the vertical strip of icons normally on the left. If it's gone, head to the View menu at the top and choose Show Tools. That command brings the panel back if it's been hidden. Also, keep in mind that pressing the Tab key toggles panels and toolbars on and off. If your entire interface suddenly disappeared, tap Tab once to bring everything back into view. Next, if you know a tool exists but you don't see it in the panel, you can customize the toolbar so it shows exactly what you want. Go to View, then Customize Tools. A window will appear with two sides: your current tools panel on the left, and a complete list of available tools on the right. Simply drag the tools you want from the right into the panel on the left. You can rearrange the order here as well, so your frequently used tools are easy to reach. If you're running out of space, adjust the number of columns so more tools fit neatly in the panel without constant scrolling. When you're happy with the setup, click Close to lock it in. Some tools are grouped together under a single icon, which can make it seem like tools are missing when they're actually tucked away. Look for a tiny triangle in the bottom right corner of a tool icon. Click and hold that icon to open the flyout menu and reveal the tools inside that group. For example, several selection tools may live under the same spot. Once you choose one, that choice becomes the visible icon in the panel, so remember to click and hold again if you need a different tool from that group. If your panel still feels incomplete or messy after customizing, you can restore the default layout. Go back to View, choose Customize Tools, and click Reset. This returns the Tools panel to its standard arrangement, which is a quick way to fix a cluttered setup without affecting your documents. With these steps, showing the panel, customizing your layout, expanding grouped tools, and resetting to defaults, you'll always have the full tool set at your fingertips in Affinity Photo.